Want to enable 5G speed to your personal hotspot to boost the internet speed? Well, look no further. Today I'll show you how you can speed up your personal hotspot internet speed on iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Active 5G or 4G for better speed. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Cellular or Mobile Service, tap Mobile or Cellular Data option, tap Voice Data Mode, active 4G or 5G from here. Go back. Now turn off low data mode. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off restrictions from here. Solution 3. Disable background apps. Apps running in the background can slow down the hotspot. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe up apps to close them. By following these steps, you should experience faster speeds on your iPhone's hotspot. For more tips and tricks like this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to our channel.